Hey guys, and welcome back to the Glamo Effect Designs. Today's video we're going to be doing some designer inspired books. For this project you're going to need books, and the best place to find these are from a Goodwill or Salvation Army for about $2.99. Acrylic paint, paintbrush, letters, which all are from Hobby Lobby, and a blow dryer. Now that you have your items, let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and get your book. This one here is going to be our Dior book, so I'm going to go ahead and with the black paint. Now that you have your book painted, you want to go ahead and with your letters, and this book is going to be a Dior book. So I'm going to start off with the D. Alright, so I already created a Chanel inspired book. This is actually a wooden tray that I bought from Hobby Lobby a while ago, so I won't be showing you how I created this one. So we're going to keep it moving onto the Tom Ford book. Alright, so for this book you want to go back in with the black paint. Alright, now that we have the book painted and it's dry, we're going to go ahead in with our letters. Once you have completed your books, you want to go ahead and style them. I just went in with a bottle of Chanel Chance perfume, a mini speaker, and a watch. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY designer inspired books, on a budget that is. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below. That way I know you're enjoying all of the weekly content that I'm bringing to you all. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your family to subscribe. Until next time guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!